Hey guys, wanna know how to change your package name in Kotlin? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, I'm going to show you how to do it in Kotlin's Playground version, and I'm also going to give you some tips for the Android ones. So let's get straight to it. Now, first up, open up your kotlinlang.org, and on the top right, hit was play, and then select Playground. Now, once you're there, just simply clear any codes that you have and then just copy this simple code right here. And now once you have it, there you go. It just sends like a 2 or 3 line code, where in Playground the package line does nothing, it's just a comment. But in Android Studio it matters. So in a real Android project, in order to change your package name in Android, just right click on your package in the project pane, choose refactor and then go to rename. Android Studio updates the structure and manifests it for you. Also another tip, you can also update your Android manifest.xml and build.gradle to reflect the new package name. And that's it. In Playground, you can simulate it. In real projects, refactor it smartly. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.